Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to notarize a quitclaim deed in California. First, understand that a quitclaim deed transfers property interest without guaranteeing clear title. You'll need to identify the grantor, who is giving up their interest, and the grantee, who is receiving it. We will then go through the crucial steps for preparing the document, the notarization process itself, and the final, vital step of recording the deed to ensure the transfer is legally recognized and publicly documented. This process is straightforward, but requires careful attention to detail. Before visiting a notary, meticulously complete your quitclaim deed. Double-check that all fields, including the property's legal description, are accurate and complete. It is crucial that the grantor's name on the deed precisely matches their valid, government-issued identification. Remember, the grantor must not sign the deed beforehand. The signing must occur in the notary's presence to confirm their identity and willingness to execute the document. This preparation ensures a smooth and legally sound notarization process. To begin the notarization, find a California notary public. The grantor must present a valid, government-issued photo identification, such as a driver's license or passport, to the notary. This is essential for identity verification. The grantor will then sign the quitclaim deed directly in front of the notary. After witnessing the signature, the notary will complete the acknowledgement certificate, which includes their signature, stamp, and seal, confirming the identity of the signer and the date of the notarization. The notary fee for an acknowledgement is typically $15 per signature. After notarization, the quitclaim deed is not yet fully effective. It must be recorded with the county recorder's office in the county where the property is located. Recording provides public notice of the transfer, protecting the grantee's interest and establishing legal priority. Recording fees vary by county, but can include a base fee, plus additional charges per page and other statutory fees, such as a $75 Building Homes and Jobs Act fee, which may apply to certain documents. Timely recording is critical. Always obtain a certified copy of the recorded deed for your records, ensuring you have proof of the completed transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.